Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a program of Collatz in Python. In this program, we are going to take a number as an input from the user, and then we are going to check if the number is even, then this program will be executed. The number itself will get divided by 2. And if the number is odd, then the number will be multiplied with 3 and then plus 1. And this will be continuously done until the number reach 1. So we will execute the program first. For example, I have written 13 here, then I'll execute the program, and you can see 13, then it is an odd number, so this program has been done. 13 get multiplied with 3, it becomes 39, and plus 1, it becomes 40. Now 40 is an even number, so it will get divided by 2 and becomes 20. So on it will be performed until it reaches 1. Now we'll see the code. So here I have defined a function with a function named Collatz and passes the parameter n with the help of the keyword def. And inside the function I have taken a variable and initialized the value of that variable to 1. And then we have taken a list which have a name C, and then we have put the value to the list by append method. Append is an inbuilt method in Python which gives input to the list, and then we have given a loop, while loop, and the condition is if n while n greater than 1. So this loop will perform until the number is greater than 1. If the number is greater than 1, it will get performed again and again. So inside this loop we have given condition to check even or odd. If the number is even, the number will get divided by 2. If the remainder is equal to 0, then it is an even number, so the number will get divided by 2, or else it is an odd number, so then it will get multiplied by 3 and then plus 1 will happen, and the value coming from if or the else condition will get stored in this c.append n, and then it will see if the number is greater than 1, then again it will go to this if, and then again it will check if the number is even or odd. This will be done until the number reaches 1, and if the number reaches 1, then it will come out of the loop and then return C. Then it will return the list. Here the list is C, it will return C, and out of the loop here we have declared a J for taking input from the user, and we have converted that input into integer by using the integer function int, and then we have printed the function here in the print function, inside the print function Collatz, and we have passes this user input J here. Now we'll again run the program to see how it works, and this time we'll give a even number, for example 18, and you can see here 18, it is a even number, it's get divided by 2, it becomes 9. Then 9 is an odd number, so it gets multiplied by 3 to 27, then it's get plus 1, it's become 28. 28 is an even number, it's get divided by 2, it becomes 14. 14 is an even number, it get divided by 2, it becomes 7. 7 is an odd number, and so on it is performed until the number reaches 1. So hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.